The TERN GSD is a versatile electric assist bicycle for families. It has a 400-pound carrying capacity, so in our case, it fits our family of 2 adults, a toddler and a pup, perfect for day tripping to the farmer's market or to the grocery store. With 2 battery packs, on flat land the bicycle has an estimated 150-mile range. But in my experience in hilly terrain, I'm getting about 15 to 20 miles on a single battery pack.
So here's the TERN GSD, and I bought this bicycle because I really want to make a difference to the way I commute to work. I really thought about this bicycle when I was driving to work one day, and I saw a bicycle starting around where I live and ending up around where I work around the same amount of time. So given the amount of traffic we have here and the cost of parking, I thought bicycle might be a good investment. But there's hills, right? So I want to get a bicycle that had electric assist that can really help through the hills, and I don't end up at work with a sweaty shirt, right? So the TERN GSD is not really what I intended to buy. I was looking for an electric bicycle, but I ended up buying this because it fit a lot of great things about what I'm expecting from a bicycle. Number one is it can carry 400 pounds of weight. So this really is a car replacement. To the farmer's market, I can fill this up with groceries. I take my daughter to preschool. I have my work bag here in the front. I have her stuff here in the back. She's sitting right here. Sometimes my wife can join me. She can sit on this. Even our dog can join us in one of these panniers, as you'll see in one of the videos that we show. I have here a Bose speaker that's really great to keep my daughter entertained as I ride to the school. And a few nitbits here and there, but this bike has been amazing. I've had it for about 2 years now. I've made a few adjustments. I added this in the front to give more carrying space, and I swapped out the stock stand to this stand. This is called the Jackass. It's an incredible stand. It's got really great position, and it's really stable on all kinds of terrain and all kinds of slopes. So this bike's been really great, and hopefully you can see some of these videos and look at the links in the description and ask any questions that you might have.
Electric bicycles are fairly new and expensive, untested products. So when I bought this bicycle, I made sure I purchased it from a store that I can rely for support and service. So I reached out to the New Wheel in Marin County, and they've been extremely helpful in figuring out quirks about the bike, adding accessories, and generally adjusting even the gear ratios to fit my riding pattern and battery usage. I'd highly recommend choosing a good partner to buy the bicycle from if you're going to go down this path. Thank you for watching this video. Check out the links in the description, and if you have any questions, go and comment away.